Dear shareholders, it's now 12 months since Aureka began trading on the ASX, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the annual general meeting. It's been a year of steady progress, disciplined execution, and significant geological success. We embarked on this new chapter with a clear vision to build a robust and dynamic advanced stage exploration company here in the goldfields of Victoria. And we've not wasted one day in ramping up our business and advancing our most promising projects while putting in place a first-class team. And that's after the recapitalisation, the relist, and the rebranding. Now, the Aureka name embodies our passion for discovery and echoes the rich heritage of the Victorian goldfields. It's been great to be crying out Eureka on our most recent drill results. Let me recap some of our milestones. Firstly, with the team. Mr. Graham Hunt was appointed non-executive chairman in January, bringing his vast experience as Lihir Gold Managing Director and former president of BHP Iron Ore. In May, Mr. Joseph Story was appointed our exploration manager, joining us from Barrick Gold. Joseph's appointment marked an important move away from the consultants that helped us get the company up and going to the permanent geological team we have out there in the field today working on our continuous exploration program. Now to the projects. In the first week of January, we began our drilling campaign at the Irvine Project in the Stawell Corridor, followed by drilling at the Tandarra joint venture in February. Then in April, we sourced a second diamond drill rig and began the 7-hole program at the St Arnaud Comstock project. And the diamond drill rig continues to operate today on the margins of the Irvine Gold Project's JORC Resource area. Now, we promised a 7,000 metre continuous diamond drilling program at the start of this year, and I'm pleased to say we've already drilled over 7,500 metres with a number of weeks to go until year end. In terms of outcomes and results, in early May, we confirmed gold mineralisation on the previously untested western flank of the Irvine Basalt Dome on our flagship project. Now, this is significant given all previously known mineralisation was on the eastern flank, and we look forward to following up this new target area in due course. In late May, we delivered a substantial 19% increase in our global JORC resource to over 360,000 ounces when we declared the maiden resource on the St Arnaud Comstock project. And there's an exploration target area surrounding this that we have been drilling into successfully recently. In early July, we reported initial results from the Irvine and Tandarra drilling programs. Then in late July, we reported our first higher grade results, which were from the Comstock diamond drilling, where we had a couple of intercepts near 1 metre in width at 19 grams per tonne. In mid-October, we had our most impactful drilling results when we reported visible gold across 3 separate holes at the Irvine diamond drilling campaign. This was quickly followed up with the results of the prioritised assays that delivered some of the highest ever gram metre results seen at the Irvine project since its discovery in 2017. The reported assays, including 10 metres at 12 grams on the newly named Tenacity Hanging Wall Fault Zone, included subsections of 183 and 64.3 grams per tonne. Now, this is at a relatively shallow depth of 413 metres, and it's outside the JORC resource. Late in October, we reported more visible gold at the St Arnaud Comstock project this time, and this was followed up with significant assay results when we got their results back, including 1 metre at 65.4 grams per tonne. So while our significant results have come later in the year, our programs now have a lot of momentum, and the diamond drill rig continues daily at the Irvine project. Elsewhere during the year, we were busy evolving the portfolio so that we're well positioned to focus on our best opportunities and positioning them for long-term commercial development. In late March, we followed in the footsteps of other successful Victorian explorers and mine developers by announcing the early acquisition of freehold land around the flagship Irvine Project in the Stawell Corridor. This is a significant step forward for Irvine, and it's already made a big difference to our on-ground exploration strategy, the respect we get from potential long-term strategic investors, and with our interactions with the local community and regulatory stakeholders. On the 10th of November, we also announced the divestment of our interest in the Tandarra Gold Project JV. The board took the decision to conduct a strategic review of our non-controlling interest in this project. And while we drilled it twice under our management, the project had not delivered on the results for our shareholders. The cash injection from the resulting settlement was an excellent outcome given the challenges in conducting the third-party sale process, the cash requirements of this project, and/or the near full dilution that would have resulted had we not exited in the way we chose to. Resource and a similar sized exploration target really does have the potential to be a 1 million ounce project, and it's less than 20 k's from the 5 million ounce Stawell gold mine. We've cemented our position with the permanent land access, and the diamond drill rig continues to follow up our recent record level drilling results. The Adventure Lode and Langy Logan targets remain possible significant extensions to what we already have at the Irvine Project. At St Arnaud Comstock, we're positioning this smaller project for nearer term production potential, given it's a previously mined site, its enviable proximity to hungry gold processing mills, and the high grade lodes now emerging from the recent drilling campaign, which really makes selective high grade production a real possibility. And let's not forget the Jubilee Project, 20 kilometres from the 12 million ounce Ballarat gold mine. It's an exciting, possible high grade target that we look forward to drilling in the months ahead. So we're ever more confident and focused on our strategic approach, our dedicated team and our potential projects can deliver value for our shareholders. I take this opportunity to thank not only our new shareholders who share the vision for Aureka, but also those long-standing shareholders who will soon see the potential that this company is fully committed to delivering. We're excited about the future and we look forward to sharing our success with you.